Delta Governor don condemn age falsification by some civil servants so that dem go fit ex ten d their years of service. Welcome country people to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification button. E go ring once we drop any message. Also, like, comment, and share our videos. The governor of Delta State, Sheriff Oborevwori, he don condemn the attitude of civil servants wey dey falsify their age with the aim say dem go ex ten d their years of service. The governor don lament say dat thing wey dem dey do so, e say e dey deprive younger people and more energetic people the opportunity to be recruited by the government. The governor dey talk dis on Sunday, June 1st, when e at ten d the Thanksgiving service wey dem hold in honor of the new head of service, Dr. Mrs. Mini Oseji, for the Church of God Mission Asaba Bishopric Headquarters. E say the appointment of Dr. Oseji as the head of service, e say na divine hand. E say because Dr. Oseji journey for civil service na testament of God's favor, say rather than human effort. The governor praise Dr. Oseji, say she enter her position with integrity, and he come pray for her, say when the time reach to leave the position, she go still leave am with integrity. He come dey urge the woman, say make e maintain the integrity when e don define her career. Na there the governor come emphasize the importance of gratitude. He come quote Psalm 100 verse 4 from Bible when he encourage believers to enter the gates of God with thanksgiving and to enter the courts of God with praise. The governor come also talk, say he go soon appoint permanent secretaries for the state civil service. He say the appointment of the permanent secretaries dem so, e go dey thorough, e go dey guided by due process and divine wisdom. Na there Dr. Oseji, when he talk, he come express heartfelt gratitude to God for the honor wey dem bestow upon her. He say she never think say she go reach dis pinnacle as head of service when she start her civil service career as a young medical officer several years ago. She come congratulate the governor for his second anniversary for office. Na so she come also thank everyone when he at ten d the Thanksgiving service. She come commend the governor and im cabinet members for always starting their day with prayer at the government house chapel. She come say she believe say that habit na don contribute to the success of the state. Bishop Nathaniel Modi, when he be Bishop Emeritus of the Church of God Mission, when he deliver sermon, when he title Focusing on Christ for his immeasurable and infinite love, he come emphasize the importance when people go take make Christ the center figure of their life through conscious effort, discipline, prayer, and obedience to the word of God. The bishop congratulate Dr. Mrs. Mini Oseji for her appointment as head of service He come praise her for her unwavering dedication to her work and exemplary Christian life. They come offer prayers for Governor Oborevwori. They ask, may God give am guidance and blessings as he lead the state. Country people, remarks come dey come for the issue of age falsification when the governor talk. Because the governor come talk say he dey behind the Civil Service Commission for this exercise when e dey go on currently to spot people when e falsify their age and to weed them out of the system. He say e dey fully behind them and that make them go on as they dey do am dey go so. This screening wey the Civil Service Commission dey do to fish out people when e falsify their age, e don dey bring out so many casualties. Unconfirmed report say dem don retire over 1,000 persons when dem forge their age take enter government work. People come dey talk say wetin now? Say some people sef, dem say dem finish primary school at the age of 7. Some say na at the age of 4 and dem born dem in the 1970s. When that time, before you go fit enter primary school, you go either be 6 years or your hands go touch your ear as dem dey do am that year. Na so many of these false declarations wey the people make take enter work when dem think say dem no go spot am. The report come say the committee don dey spot dem and dem dey ask many to go do affidavit to declare their real age, and while for the ones wey e don suppose to retire, dem go retire dem once. Unconfirmed report also come say e get people wey be say while dem still claim say dem get 7 years, some say dem get 9 years more for service, when dem reach there, dem just retire dem instanta because from the deductions wey the committee make, those people don pass 60 years when e be the official age for retirement. People come dey ask, why people go dey falsify age? Na the love for the job or na the fear of the unknown, because dem no know wetin dem go do once dem leave civil service. Some people when dey make comments dey say maybe dem wan die for the job, then their family go come collect their entitlement. Otherwise, wetin go make somebody when e don reach 60 years still dey falsify im age? How many years he wan work for civil service when e be say maybe not be teacher or not be judge when government don formally approve their retirement age to be more than 60? Country people, lots of people dey commend the government for this screening exercise when dem dey do so, and many dey believe say at the end of the day, e go come give room for young and fresh people like the governor talk to enter into the civil service. Even to unconfirmed report, e say na the thing wey the governor dey wait before e go appoint permanent secretaries, because tori still come in say some permanent secretaries when e falsify their age, dem don still retire dem for this screening exercise. Country people, how una see this development when e dey go on for Delta State?